Do you know what is secondary cataract and how is it treated? My name is Dr. Bindiya. I have been working with Dr. Agarwal Eye Hospital for more than 15 years. Even after successful cataract surgeries, many people feel blurry vision in their eyes after 6 months to 3 years from the cataract surgery time. This is because of development of secondary cataract, also called as posterior capsular opacification. It is a very common condition. Secondary cataract is not the development or redevelopment of the cataract. It is just the development of haze behind the implanted lens. So that has to be treated, and the treatment is very simple and pain-free. A small shot of laser called yak capsulotomy can clear the haze and restore your vision. If you are also feeling the blurry vision after your surgery, do not ignore it. Please visit Agarwal Eye Hospital for your eye check now.